We just installed the first rear-mounted awning on a Sprinter van.
While Charlie was unboxing, I was working on getting the solar panels moved over. This was because where the solar panels slid to the left, the awning wasn't going to fit.
Hand me that beauty.
Once we got the rear awning up there, we quickly realized that our initial idea was not going to work.
Are you thinking it goes like this?
No, I was just not. That's not gonna work.
We ended up custom fabricating a plate to put on top of the rail. We also slid a T-nut into the rail so that we could join the T-nut and the plate together, and then our rear awning would mount and sit properly. The final result actually turned out pretty nice, and we were happy with how it functioned. We then were given a side awning from Kammok that we installed pretty quickly. It was a lot easier since we didn't have to fabricate anything.
Alright. Looks a little slanted.
Huh?
A little slanted.
Yeah, this is what I was saying. Kind of sketchy just shoving it in there. Right there.
Music